Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve exponential and radical equation with simple method. Let us start with exponential equation. We have 25 power x minus 125. This is equal to 0. The first step, we are going to take 125 to the right hand side. This is equal to, when we bring this to the right hand side, it's going to be positive, so it is going to be 125. Let us put the right hand side and the left hand side with a base of 5. 25 is the same as 5 power 2, so we have 5 power 2 or x. This is equal to 125 is the same as 5 power 3. Let us multiply the power. That is going to be 5 power 2x. This is equal to 5 power 3. We know that if we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If the base are equal, the power are equal, that is b is equal to c. We are going to apply this here. We have the same base, so we are going to equate the power. Now 2x, this is equal to 3. I'm going to divide by 2, and here I'm going to divide by 2. By 2, 1, by 2, we got 1. We get x. This is equal to 3 over 2. Let us do question number 2. We are supposed to solve for x. They have given to us square root of 15 square minus 9 square over 6 square. This is equal to square root of x. The first thing, we are going to get rid of the square root sign by squaring both sides. Let us square both sides. Square root and square, they cancel each other, and square root and square, they cancel each other. We are going to remain with 15 square minus 9 square over 6 square. This is equal to x. X is equal to 15 square minus 9 square over 6 square. But we know that 15 square and 9 square is the difference of two squares. If we have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So x is equal to 15 plus 9 multiplied by 15 minus 9 over 6 square is the same as 36. X is equal to 15 plus 9, it is 24, multiplied by 15 minus 9, it is 6 over 36. I can simplify here by 6, 1, by 6, it is 6, by 6, we got 1, by 6, we got 4. The value of x is equal to 4. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.